I like it. How's your day so far? Did you do anything today? Did you work, chill, anything like that?